Ever wonder how some homes feel effortlessly elegant, yet incredibly welcoming at the same time? Ralph Lauren's timeless American aesthetic holds the secret to creating spaces that blend heritage sophistication with genuine warmth. Today, we're touring 14 rooms in one stunning home that proves classic never goes out of style. Let's discover what makes this design DNA so enduringly beautiful. Stepping through the front door feels like coming home to a place that's been waiting just for you. The entrance foyer wraps you in that signature Ralph Lauren warmth, where every detail whispers heritage and timeless style. Sunlight dances across the rich oak floors, highlighting the gleam of antique brass and the soft invitation of navy velvet. There's something magical about how equestrian touches and fresh hydrangeas come together, creating an atmosphere that's both grand and genuinely welcoming. This isn't just an entryway, it's where elegance begins. The formal living room is where sophistication meets soul, and honestly, it's impossible not to fall in love with this space. That cognac leather Chesterfield has seen countless conversations, anchoring the room with its warm, lived-in character. Navy velvet wingbacks frame the marble fireplace perfectly, while morning light spills through silk drapes, making everything glow. You can almost smell the leather-bound books and feel the coziness of tartan pillows inviting you to settle in. This is American elegance at its absolute finest, refined yet wonderfully real. Family rooms should feel like a warm hug, and this one absolutely delivers on that promise. The oversized Persian rug grounds the space beautifully, while that oatmeal sectional practically begs you to kick off your shoes and stay a while. Cashmere throws in hunter green and chocolate brown add layers of texture that just make you want to curl up. Natural light streams in, highlighting the walnut media console and those gorgeous equestrian photographs on the walls. It's heritage style that actually lives and breathes, not just looks pretty. There's something almost romantic about this formal dining room, where every meal becomes a special occasion. The mahogany table stretches elegantly beneath that stunning crystal chandelier, ready to host unforgettable gatherings. Navy velvet chairs with brass nail heads bring refined comfort, while bone china and sterling silver catch the natural light filtering through silk drapes. The vintage sideboard tells its own story, displaying treasures collected over time. This is where family traditions are made and memories linger long after dinner's done. The kitchen blends old-world craftsmanship with everything you need for modern living, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Those cream cabinets with antique brass hardware feel like they've always been here, perfectly complementing the marble island where everyone naturally gathers. Copper cookware and blue and white porcelain add personality without trying too hard, while natural sunlight floods every corner through linen Roman shades. The leather counterstools invite morning coffee chats and recipe experiments. It's a space that honors tradition while embracing how we actually cook today. Even the butler's pantry gets the Ralph Lauren treatment, turning practical storage into something genuinely beautiful. Glass front cabinets showcase your favorite crystal and classic white dinnerware like treasured collections they truly are. That honed marble counter provides the perfect prep space, while the navy accent wall adds just enough drama without overwhelming. Everything has its place here, from wine storage to silver serving trays, all bathed in natural light. Organization has never looked this elegant or felt this effortless and inspiring. Mornings just hit differently when you're enjoying breakfast in this sun-drenched nook. The round mahogany table encourages lingering over coffee, while those Windsor chairs with navy cushions offer unexpected comfort. Natural light pours through the windows, illuminating fresh linens and making everything feel brighter. That window seat with tartan cushions is perfect for reading the paper or simply watching the garden wake up. It's intimate without feeling cramped, refined without being stuffy. Just the right spot to start your day well. The home office strikes that perfect balance between serious workspace and comfortable retreat you'll actually want to spend time in. Floor-to-ceiling mahogany bookshelves create an English library vibe that makes even administrative tasks feel more distinguished. That walnut partner's desk anchors the room beautifully, while the oxblood leather chair adds rich, classic comfort. Natural light filters through hunter green velvet drapes, casting a warm glow over leather-bound volumes and equestrian prints. This is where productivity meets timeless style effortlessly. Your master bedroom should be a sanctuary, and this space absolutely understands the assignment. That mahogany four-poster bed commands attention while the tufted linen headboard keeps things soft and approachable. Crisp white linens layered with navy and hunter green tartan create that signature Ralph Lauren look we all love. Natural light flows through ivory silk curtains, making mornings feel gentle and evenings peaceful. Cashmere throws and antique brass lamps add finishing touches that turn a bedroom into a true retreat. The walk-in closet proves that organization can be absolutely luxurious when done right. Custom cream cabinetry with antique brass hardware lines the walls, displaying folded cashmere like the treasures they are. That mahogany center island with glass top showcases leather accessories beautifully, while velvet-lined drawers protect your favorite jewelry. Natural light from above illuminates everything perfectly, making getting dressed feel like a special ritual. It's functional elegance that makes you appreciate quality and timeless style every single day. Even the kids' bedroom maintains that signature heritage feel while staying playful and age-appropriate. Those twin mahogany sleigh beds with navy-striped bedding look classic without feeling too grown-up or formal. The built-in window seat offers the perfect reading spot, while cream wainscoting keeps architectural consistency throughout the home. Natural light and softer Persian rug tones create warmth that welcomes imaginative play. It's proof that timeless American style works beautifully for every generation living under one roof. Guest bedrooms should make visitors feel truly welcomed, and this space nails that gentle hospitality. The mahogany sleigh bed dressed in crisp white linens with camel cashmere feels like a luxury hotel room. Taupe walls and ivory silk drapes create serenity, while that navy velvet wingback chair offers a cozy reading corner. The small walnut writing desk adds thoughtful functionality that guests genuinely appreciate. It's refined comfort that says you've thought of everything without being overly fussy or showy. Who says home theaters can't have serious style? This media room proves entertainment spaces can embrace heritage elegance too. That cognac leather sectional with tufted details and brass nail heads looks incredible while staying seriously comfortable for movie marathons. Acoustic panels cleverly disguised as vintage book spines maintain the traditional aesthetic beautifully. Natural light from clear-story windows balances the darker walls perfectly, while mahogany details keep everything grounded. It's modern function wrapped in timeless American sophistication. The backyard terrace extends that Ralph Lauren elegance outdoors, creating seamless indoor-outdoor living. Natural stone pavers complement the house's cream brick and dark oak trim visible in the background beautifully. Weather-resistant linen cushions in ivory and navy bring interior comfort outside, while the mahogany dining table with brass lanterns sets the scene for alfresco dinners. Boxwoods in classic planters and wrought iron accents add refined touches that feel natural, not forced. It's heritage style that breathes fresh air. True elegance isn't about following trends or filling rooms with expensive things. It's about honoring quality, embracing timeless materials, and creating spaces that tell your story authentically. Ralph Lauren's heritage style reminds us that when you invest in classic beauty and thoughtful craftsmanship, you're building a home that welcomes generations, not just seasons. That's the kind of lasting beauty worth creating.